All right. So there's this tool that I use that can download Spotify playlists and songs and albums and everything. So what you do is you go to open.spotify.com and then you log into your account and then you find your playlist that you're looking for or the song. Just those three dots and there'll be copy song link or copy playlist link. This also works for your Discover Weekly playlists, which I think is really nice. And then you can it will automatically paste into the software. I'll put a link to the software that I use. You can get a free version of this. However, this is a paid software. For me, it just makes sense because it saves me so much time. But if you want to do it a free way, there's also, you can go to another site that just pulls the YouTube video down. You can just extract the audio. I'll put a link to that in the description as well. But for me, it just makes a lot of sense to just be able to do things quickly and easily. I'll put a link in the description. So if you do want to access your own Spotify playlists, albums, songs, you can certainly do that there.